Hello, it's Flo, and today I want to introduce you a new device. So you have maybe seen I have my HTC One S, HTC Desire HG, and now there is an HTC One X. So you have seen there is a red light, so a green light. So let's go to test the HTC One X. So I want to introduce you this new device today, the HTC One X. The first start for the HTC One X, and this is just an amazing phone. You have maybe already this one, but I just resave it. So I have to choose the first language. You have seen there is a lot of language, and I want the English one. I have to put my SIM card on the HTC One X. So let's go. To do that, you must choose this little object resaved by HTC. You have to put your phone on this way, there, and just press it. Here. Okay. Excuse me, you have maybe not seen. I have to do something like that. And there is the emplacement for your card. There. You have to put your card just like that, and then put it into your phone. Okay. You have seen this is the grey HTC One X, and this is just amazing how it is so thin and so beautiful. You have also seen that I can use the landscape mode like that. You have to press skip, and there you have to change for Wi-Fi or always or not always. So I have to use mobile data or Wi-Fi. Here is the automatically sync data I want to use manually, as I do every time. I can just choose SFR public Wi-Fi if I want, but I just have to enter my PIN code before. So let's go to enter my PIN code. Here we are. We have different Wi-Fi, but I have to use it later. Okay, I just have enter my phone, and I think he's starting again. Okay, there you have to switch your network operator. So he has detected that I am French, so he want to ask me for French language, but no, I want to use English one. There. Next for mobile, manually sync, and next for Wi-Fi, we now got the syncing with HTC account. No, I want to help HTC to improve its product. I already do that. Okay. Allow Google location service, use my location for Google search. Okay, you have to check that if you want or not. Your Dropbox, you can just use your Dropbox account if you want, and there you have to choose for different account. For mine, I want to use my Google. I want to use my actually one, flowwolf1@gmail.com, and my password. Hey, you will never find it. Okay, yeah. So this can take a few minutes. So you have at this time keep this phone backed up with Google account, and you have to select what you want to sync with that. So I want to sync now the contact, for example, the Gmail, photos if I need, and Picasa if I need. Okay, so let's go. You can also transfer your stuff from another phone if you need by Bluetooth. And let's go to discover the HTC One X. First thing I want to do is maybe to change the brightness, because there is too many brightness there for this video. So first time you have a loading on your phone. To compare with the HTC One S, you have maybe seen the screen difference between the two different phones. You can see that. The size, for example, but you have to see that they are just quite similar on this size, larger and longer, and this is just so beautiful to have this amazing screen. So continue to show quick tips. You can, if you don't know the usage of HTC Sense, but I already know that. So I can go to menu. No, oh yes, this is different. Yes, you can go to settings by this way. You just have to slide the notification bar there. Then you have to go on about brightness before, excuse me. Brightness is the display and gesture. You have brightness, you have to switch by this way. Okay, it was better for you, I think. So now you can go to about and see what is your software information. This is Android Ice Cream Sandwich with HTC Sense version 4.0, and this software is 1.26.401.2. So I have to try to do to install a custom ROM with this one. So it could be just easy. I will just do that as soon as possible, for example this evening, this night, or tomorrow. Okay, what I can say about this custom ROM, this HTC One X, you have different hardware information, and we can compare it with the HTC One S if you want. So menu, settings, there we have about and hardware informations. Yes, this one is maybe more brightener. Okay, so let's go to display and gesture. There, no, not just sensor, brightness. Okay, like that. Okay, the screen is better on the HTC One X. The different colors are just more beautiful. Excuse me. Hardware information. This is a quad core, and this one is a dual core. There is memory of 1 gigabits. The display screen is 4.7 720 resolution, and the HTC One S is 4.3 inches and QHD resolution. The main camera is the same. The front camera is 1.3 on HTC One X, so it must be better. Wi-Fi is ABGN for the HTC One X, BGN only for HTC One S. The Bluetooth is available, and okay, hardware information, phone identity, software information, legal information. Okay, it must be 32 gigabits on the HTC One X and 16 on the HTC One S. So we have to go there. Okay, okay, you can see that about. Yes, I have to say to you that I will just sell my HTC One S next month to be able to use to buy this HTC One X. So this is just I can't do over video with One S after this month, so just ask me if you need more videos or more information about the One S currently. Okay, so you can see the total space. For example, there is 25.24 for One X and 993 for the One S. You can get more if you need. You can also use Dropbox with 25 gigabits if you want. Okay, so let's go to show you the One X, how it works. So we can go on the drawer, and we can see that on the drawer, this is a 3D drawer for the One X and not for the One S, for example. There, when you do there, you can just see that, you see. Okay, so this is maybe better for the One X. Maybe we have 4x5 grid for the two different devices, but we need maybe 4x6 on the HTC One X, and we will see that on different custom ROM. We have just to, yes, agree that. Okay, we have the current river to change different pupil. This is not an infinite scrolling, but we have to change it with different custom ROM. There is no landscape mode. Also, you will see that on custom ROM as soon as possible. What can I say more? This phone is just amazing, and I will just show you different things as soon as possible. For example, I will just have a benchmark test with this one before use a custom ROM. So yes, this is not a beautiful river today. Okay, so do you have some question about the HTC One S, the HTC One X? You can ask me what you want currently, and I will be so happy to answer you as fast as possible. Thanks to everyone to continue to share me, to follow me, and I just want to say that yes, I have a One X, but this is because I prefer to share on One X because more people are using it, and I will sell my One S to be able to continue to use the One X. Thanks again to HTC to do so beautiful devices. Thanks again to other people, and thanks to everyone.